Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you signed up with ClickUp using your personal email, but now you want to go ahead and change it to your business email. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to ClickUp. Next, you're going to click on your name on the upper right-hand corner. Then go ahead and click on Settings. And then from here, you're going to see some blurred information, but there is a section here where you can actually go ahead and change your email. So change your email to whichever email you desire, and then go ahead and click on Save. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your email on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.